Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make changes to your website with our software. Everything in this website builder is built around drag and drop software, meaning any element or any part of the website that you see, you can change simply by clicking and holding your mouse button down. You will then see a dark blue line appear. When I release my mouse button, it will place the element that I've clicked on and held down the mouse button where that blue line is, making it simple to change and adjust the different elements you have on your website. The website builder is designed into different blocks. You'll see up here it says block. If I scroll down further, it'll have a new block with new content. When I click on the block icon, it'll open up the container settings. From here I can change the background image, I can change the effects, and change much more. Each block is split into different columns. So if I click within this block, it'll have a column button appear. From here, I can change the design. This current design has two columns. One column that's empty for spacing purposes, and one column that has this text in that form. So if I click on the column button, I can change it to one column. From here, you can see it looks a little different. Any element that you see on the website, you can click on and settings will appear. For text, this edit button appears. If I click on that, it'll simply open up this taskbar, and I can make changes as if I'm working in a Word document or in an email. Those settings can also be reached by simply double clicking on the element that you want to change. If you wanted to add more content here, you can add widgets by clicking this plus bar on the left. When I click on this, it'll open up all the different widgets that you can add. If you want to add images, text, videos, you can add them all from this widget. Let's say I want to add more text here. I can do that by simply clicking and holding my mouse and dragging and dropping it where I want it to be placed, where that dark blue line appears. From here, I can change the text. I can also change the color, change the font, and change the size. You can also adjust from here the different spacing. If I click between elements, it'll give me the ability to click and drag and change the spacing. When you're making changes, no changes are saved until you hit the Save Changes button. When you hit the Save Changes button, it will automatically publish these changes to your website. If you wanted to add more features, you can add a block. Instead of manually creating and designing it by adding widgets, you can look at the repository of already pre-designed blocks that we have. So if I click that button, it'll open up this dashboard. From here, I can see all of these different categories with all of these different pre-designed blocks within it. Let's say I wanted to show some endorsements of some of these supporters that I have for my campaign or organization. I can simply click on this, and it will populate this pre-designed block. From here, I can change any element simply by double-clicking and changing it. I can also remove aspects of the block. If I don't have images for my supporters, I can delete that. You can also adjust the size of different aspects of it by simply dragging and holding the button down and moving it. Another element of settings that you can change is clicking on it, and clicking on any element, and you'll see this clock appear. When you click on that clock, it'll open animation. So from here, I can change the way that different elements appear to users when they visit the website, such as fading in, zooming in, bouncing in, and many more animation types. This can help your website look more sleek and more modern. You can also see how your website looks on different devices by navigating to this bottom part. I'm in desktop view now, but if I wanted to look how the website views on a phone or on a mobile device or a tablet, I can click on that. All of the websites and templates are designed to be optimized for mobile devices. So you shouldn't need to change it, but I'll show you in a later video how you can change content specific for a mobile device. Lastly, I want to point out that if at any time you have any issues editing your website or making changes or aren't quite sure how to make a change you want, you can click this button in the bottom right hand corner and open up a chat with us. We are usually able to respond immediately, but if not, it will be forwarded to our email and we'll respond as soon as possible. Hopefully this helps, and I'm excited to help you with your website and help your organization or campaign succeed and grow. Continue to watch the other videos for more in-depth descriptions and tutorials on how to use the software.